everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 8, mosquitoes, diseases and treatment. So in the first part of this video we completed till question number 5. Write the answers in one or two sentences, and now we are going to start from question number 6. Answer the following questions. So let's begin. Number 1, in which season are mosquitoes more common? Why do you think this happens? Answer: there are more mosquitoes during the rainy season. This is because rainwater stagnates at many places. Ditches, holes, old tires, pots, broken water pots, etc. fill up with dirty water in which mosquitoes lay eggs. Thus, mosquitoes are more common during monsoon. Next question, number 2. State the symptoms of malaria. So, the following are symptoms of malaria. Point number 1. The patient has very high fever. He feels cold and shiver a lot, which means rigor. This is known as fever with chills and rigors. Point number 2. The fever recedes after some time and then it is high again. Thus, fever is high or there is no fever. Point number 3. The patient's head and limbs aches a lot. Point number 4. The patient feels very weak. Now, let's see question number 3. State the symptoms of anemia. The symptoms of anemia are as follows. Point number 1. The patient's hemoglobin decreases due to depleted iron level. Point number 2. Anemia affects the physical health of the patient. He or she feels weak on doing even a little work. Point number 3. The patient's body looks pale yellowish. Point number 4. The patient's energy level drops. Point number 5. The patient's physical and mental health are adversely affected. Now, let's see question number 4. In which places is algae seen? Answer: algae is seen in or around the water. It is also seen on wet walls, on walls of wells, on water that has stagnated around tanks, on water that has stagnated in ditches, etc. Next, number 5. What should be done to stop the spread of diseases? Answer: it is necessary to take the following steps to stop the spread of disease. Point number 1. Do not let dirty water collect in the pits around your house or in the surrounding areas. Point number 2. Take care to ensure that there is no nuisance of mosquitoes. Point number 3. Do not keep food uncovered. Cover it well. Point number 4. Do not eat stale. Make correction in the spelling, stale. Do not eat stale, uncovered or market, which means outside food. Next, question number 6. Why should one not drink dirty or contaminated water? Answer: dirty or contaminated water contains disease-causing germs, rubbish and dirt. Drinking such water causes diseases of the digestive system, that is cholera, typhoid and dysentery, and skin diseases. So if one drinks such water, he or she can fall ill. Thus, one should not drink dirty or contaminated water. Next, question number 7. Answer as asked. Question number 1. What can you do so that mosquitoes do not breed in your house and neighborhood? Write 4 points. Point number 1. We will not let water collect anywhere near our house, school or in the neighborhood. We will fill up any ditches or pits with stagnant water. Number 2, we will throw trash only in the garbage bin. We will keep the garbage bin covered. Point number 3, we will clean coolers, pots and water tanks regularly. We will keep their surroundings also clean. Point number 4, we will spray kerosene and DDT on any stagnant water that we find. Next, question number 2, which diseases are spread by flies and how? Answer, diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, typhoid are spread by flies. Flies sit on dirty things like sewage pipes, trash, thrown away food, excreta or vomit of patient and carry the germs on their legs. When they sit on food left uncovered, they leave the germs on it. When such contaminated food is eaten by a person, he or she contracts the above mentioned diseases. Next, question number 3. Why should we not eat uncovered food? Answer, flies sit on food left uncovered. Flies sit on dirty things like sewage pipes, trash, thrown away food, spit, excreta / vomit of patients and carry the germs on their legs. When flies come from such dirty places and sit on food left uncovered, they leave the germs on it. When such contaminated food is eaten by a person, he or she falls ill. So, we should not eat uncovered food. Next, question number 8, give scientific reasons. Question number 1, food should be kept covered. Answer, when food is kept covered, diseases causing germs or dust particles do not settle on or mix with it. Flies cannot sit on covered food, so food should always be kept covered. Next, question number 2, ditches filled with dirty water should not be there in the areas surrounding. Answer, if there are ditches filled with dirty water, mosquitoes will lay eggs in such water. If there are such ditches in the areas surrounding our homes, the nuisance of mosquitoes will increase and diseases like malaria will spread. Thus, to avoid nuisance of mosquitoes, there should not be ditches filled with dirty water in the areas surrounding our homes. Question number 3, question number 3, flies are known as enemies of mankind. Answer, flies sit on dirty things like sewage pipes, trash, thrown away food, spit, excreta or vomit of the patient and carry the diseases causing germs on their bodies and legs. When flies come from such dirty places and sit on food left uncovered, they leave the germs on it and contaminate it. When such contaminated food is eaten by a person, he or she falls ill. So, flies that spread many diseases are known as enemies of mankind. Next, we have question number 9. Classify the following diseases into those spread by mosquitoes and those spread by flies. So, the diseases are malaria, typhoid, dengue, dysentery, skin diseases, chikungunya, cholera, vomit. So, diseases spread by mosquitoes are malaria, dengue, chikungunya. Next, diseases spread by flies, typhoid, dysentery, skin diseases, cholera, vomit. Next, we have activities. Number 1, make a poster. In your group, make a poster with a message to keep the cooler, tank, drains and the area clean wherever water collects. Put up your poster in or around your school. So here I have attached a poster. You can draw the same or you can draw according to your own discretion. So now we have number 2, activity number 2. Draw the images of a fly and a female Anopheles mosquito in the space given below. So you have to draw a picture of fly and a picture of Anopheles mosquito. So here I have attached a picture of fly and Anopheles mosquito as well. So you can draw, you can also cut and paste the pictures. Okay, so here we complete our activities. Now next we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. So number 1, where are blood reports needed for diagnosis of diseases done? Your options are in the Gram Panchayat, B in a clinic, C in a laboratory, D in a school. Answer is C in a laboratory. Number 2, from which part of the cinchona tree was medicine for malaria made? Your options are A, the fruit, B, the bark, C, the leaves, D, the seed. Answer is B, the bark. Next, number 3, what should be the hemoglobin level in a healthy woman? So, answer is C. Next, number 4, which of the following diseases is not spread by flies or mosquitoes? Options are A, malaria, B, dengue, C, dysentery, and D, anemia. Answer is D, anemia. So here we complete our chapter number 8, mosquitoes, diseases and treatment. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.